Hey everyone, almost 2 years ago to the day I had created this video where I was using LinkedIn and copy.ai to generate the content for my LinkedIn profile. And indeed, even if you wanted to, you could generate a cover letter using this process. And I think it would be pretty effective, frankly. And so I wanted to, because it's been 2 years and because there's been some new innovations, I thought I would kind of try to redo what I'd done 2 years ago and just see what would happen. And so in the video, I was talking about applying to a job such as digital marketing director and using copy.ai to do that. And copy.ai is still an incredible tool 2 years later. It continues to update. It continues to give you a lot of really great ideas. And it's a fantastic tool. But today I thought I would try to use a different tool. I thought I would try to use OpenAI. But I want to start with the same process that we were looking at before. First of all, in terms of my profile, some of the things that we might want to do is, for myself, because I've been spending a couple years as a marketing instructor, I might just want to update this little bit about my being a marketing instructor. So here I would go into more, build a resume, create from profile, and job title would be marketing instructor. Cool. So this is just me updating my current background. So here it says, hey, if you're a marketing instructor, the jobs we found that were titled marketing instructor included these keywords that we also found in your resume. And it says that right here. These are the top keywords we found in your resume that are relevant for your desired job title. However, we also noticed that these keywords, these are the top keywords you can consider adding to your resume that are common both to your desired job title and past experience. And this is the reason why we might want to do this. We might want to actually say, hey, you know what? Here's my background, and I'm going to use a tool called OpenAI this time. And I'm going to say, here is my background. And I'm going to say update please. Let's see if it'll let me include a couple quote. All right. And I'm going to say, please update my marketing background to include the following keywords. And now I'm going to go back to LinkedIn and I'm going to grab the keywords and I'm going to insert in the keywords that are also missing. I'm going to see what it comes up with. And I've tried to ask it specifically to update just my NATE background. And I'm going to see if it does. We'll see. This should be an interesting exercise. As a marketing instructor at NATE since 2007, I actually like this. I like the fact that it's including in, and I forgot to mention that as a keyword, and it's not mentioned there. But part of what I'm super proud of is our work at NATE teaching these professional selling courses, which we include in some of the content for spin selling within there. So I'm extremely excited that it's including that. But it's including in some stuff I don't want it to do. And so I'm going to just go back to my original profile. Please just include from 2007. Please just create a background experience from 2007 to present, specifically for my time only at Neat. And again, it's something you've got to have to work with a little bit here, but it's including in everything. And I don't want it to include everything. I want it to include some of the stuff that I did at Neat. And here is the stuff I did at Neat, which is awesome. I wanted it to have a better idea of everything I've done, but I don't want it to include everything I've done. I have done the Digital Marketing Institute content at Neat, and I don't see it including these keywords, or am I wrong? Please update, please rewrite, and include the following keywords. Again, I want to see if it'll make sure those keywords are in there. It's kind of just dumping them in there. So a little bit of a, you might call it like a feature dump here. We're just going to pound everything in there just to make sure all those keywords are there, but maybe that's okay. I'm going to move this over now, and I'm going to just kind of massage it. This feels really long, so I'm going to just put it in. I was trying some other stuff out. Oh my gosh, see, in Hemingway, we can see the readability, and I've got Grammarly running here as well. And so I'm just going to start to slow this down a little bit. So I'm going to introduce some periods. I'm responsible for delivering education in various areas of marketing, including digital marketing, social media marketing, digital marketing, period. I've been responsible for delivering education in various areas of marketing. Developing and delivering. My goal would be, see, I already went from post-secondary to grade 15. So we might want to start to just kind of do that. And whatever that looks like. A couple other little fast things we can do to change this. Oh, there's some nice stuff. Sometimes Grammarly will help us by editing things for us. I'm going to try to introduce some things in here. And I would probably go back, and what I really like about this Hemingway is it's going to highlight the hard to read sentences. And I've got quite a few here, and this readability is grade 15. I really want to aim for grade 9 or lower. I really believe in being clear and concise. And I think if I'm teaching marketing, and a big component of marketing is to be clear and concise, I should probably do that. Nonetheless, if I was to take this and I just kind of dumped it in here, I could dump it in right here. I might dump it in, and I might just make a note to come back and edit it later. Oh, I've hit the word cap. Maybe I'll just do it. Good enough. I'll come back, I'll massage it later. But now I've got those keywords in there. And so if I was to, it actually just updated on its own. I didn't even realize it would do that. So now it's seeing those keywords in my background, which is pretty fantastic if you ask me. So now it's adding in some new ones, which are actually a really good idea. I love these new ones, by the way. So let's say, so in my original YouTube video, we were applying to become a digital marketing director. So once you go through all of your background, update it as much as you can in the way I just did it. Let's write a cover letter now. So write a cover letter for the job title. Oops. Digital marketing director, I believe is what it was. Digital marketing director right there. But let's go up. Let's go back and let's have a look at here. View profile. more, build a resume. We're going to create from profile, and this time we're going to include in the title Digital Marketing Director, and apply. And so here we kind of have these keywords and these keywords, and I'm going to start to move these keywords over. Again, a little bit of a different desired job title there. Write a cover letter for the job title, Digital Marketing Director, based on the background we generated, and include the following keywords. Oops. Boom. And let's grab some more. Like I said, I really like these new keywords. I might have to go through this process again. Boom. And so here we go. Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in this position with over 15 years experience. So again, it's doing a nice job of including in all these keywords, albeit it's kind of dumping them in there a little bit more than I'd like. Frankly, I would like it if it would massage them in a little bit more. Oh, I might have broke it though. Oh my gosh, if the entire internet is crashing because I've broken it at this point, you know whose responsibility it is. It's mine. Oh no, I broke it. Okay, so it was working on it and then it stopped. So I'm going to resubmit it and we'll see if it's any different. It probably heard me saying, you're gosh darn it, you're just dumping in a bunch of keywords and I want you to redo it. And so it's like, I'm not going to do it anymore. And now it's rewriting it. Excuse me. All right, it's doing a pretty good job. Again, I like that spin selling. I like the professional selling. Even though that's not what the job description is specifically asking for, I still think there's a critical component of professional selling and in any marketing career. And I think that's a really important thing to understand. So there it is. What do you think, folks? Would you hire this guy? Would you hire this guy as your digital marketing director? And again, I would take this, move it over to Hemingway, and I would start to massage it. We're already starting at a grade 14, so we're off to a good start. And again, just massage it, bring it down, use your Grammarly, use this Hemingway, we're down to 14. Smooth out. I love the way this is going to highlight those key sentences that are difficult to read. It's going to even recommend changing some of the language, which I think is fantastic. And again, just smooth it out. And I believe you'll have a really strong LinkedIn profile. You'll have a fantastic cover letter. And I wish you all the best in any jobs you apply for. And I hope you found this useful. Leave a comment if you have any questions, thoughts, or what you want me to do another video on. But I'm hoping this helps. And yeah, good luck.